Hey Panthers, my name is Crystal Lee and I am a graduate assistant with Student Health Promotion. And for today's video, I will discuss with you why lubricant is important for safer sex. Lubricant plays an important role in both comfort and preventative measures such as STIs and HIV. Using lube does not mean something is wrong with you or your partner. It simply means that you are cutting down on the friction that may occur when your genitals rub together during sex that can irritate the skin. The dryness can cause friction, and friction makes the condom more susceptible to breakage. This increases your risk to STIs and HIV. On the other hand, most people apply lubricant because it adds more slippage. This creates a more illuminating experience of sexual intercourse. It's especially more important to use lube during anal sex, as your anus does not naturally lubricate itself. Therefore, without lube, anal sex will be dry and lead to more irritation and tears in your rectum and anus. Yes, you most definitely can use lubricant with condoms. Although most condoms are pre-lubricated, additional lube does not negatively affect the effectiveness of the condom. Great question. Water-based or silicone lube are always appropriate to use with latex condoms. Lubricant with oil in it can tear down latex and cause condoms to tear. It's also a bad idea to use lotion, baby oil, or Vaseline as sexual lubricants because they can irritate your genitals and break the condom. You can request free condoms with our condom request program. To do this, you will go to our Instagram page at BWellGSU, go to our bio and click on the Linktree link, scroll down to the condom request program, fill out all of your demographic information, select what type of condom pack is most applicable to you, and patiently wait for your condoms to arrive at your residence.